There's one last thing I forgot to mention in the previous video on disjunctions, which is I talked about inclusive and exclusive disjunctions as interpretations of the disjunction. And for this class, we're just going to assume that all disjunctions are inclusive disjunctions. So just note that that's how we're assuming them. For most of you, that won't make much of a difference, but that's something you can just keep in the back of your mind. Okay, now on to this video. We are learning about a distinction between conditionals and arguments. Now, what I'm going to say in this video is stuff you kind of learned earlier, but in this video will kind of hopefully help synthesize things and help consolidate information and bring things together. Okay, so as you know, a conditional will be a sentence of something. It'll say something like, if Max is a pug, then Max is a dog. Okay? Whereas now an argument is similar, but it will go like this. Max is a pug. Therefore, Max is a dog. Okay? Seems very similar, right? This conditional and this argument. But there's two key things that's going to distinguish the conditional and the argument. Okay? The first one is a conditional is, I'll just list it here. Always, I'll just put it this way. A conditional is always one proposition. Okay? When we say conditional, if Max is a pug, then Max is a dog, we're making one claim. Okay? Whereas with an argument, is always two or more propositions. Okay, so in this, it's one claim. If Max is a pug, then Max is a dog. In this case, it's two claims. Max is a pug, therefore Max is a dog. So there's one claim, Max is a pug. There's another claim, Max is a dog. Okay, all right. And number two, a conditional can be true or false. So because it's one proposition, we can ask, is this true? Is it true that if Max is a pug, then Max is a dog? Yeah, that's true. Okay, but in this case, Max is a pug, therefore Max is a dog. This whole thing combined, it can't be true. That's like what we were talking about, true arguments. It doesn't make sense. Okay. Rather, we want to say about arguments is an argument is valid or invalid. Okay. This, if Max is a pug, then Max is a dog. Since it's one claim, we can't say it's valid or invalid, where valid means if the premises are true, then the conclusion is true. This can't have premises and a conclusion because it's only one claim. But Max is a pug, therefore Max is a dog. We can't say this is valid. And we can say because if this premise is true, then this conclusion is also true. Okay, so hopefully that should be pretty straightforward, and we'll move on in the next video.